Hey Cam Fam, it's Monica here from My Big Camera. In today's video, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of this cute little bed that I've been seeing everywhere. I bought this off of AliExpress. If you're interested in buying it, I will have the link for you down in the description below. And if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell as well so that you are notified the next time that we release a video. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, so this is the box that the bed came in. It was wrapped in black plastic, which I've already taken off. So I'm going to use an X-Acto knife to open the box. So you can see the edge of the bed there, and it looks like it's a nice sort of distressed whitewash wood. So this is the way the bed comes. That's the base. I'm not really sure where the screw holes are or how this is put together. Oh, there's the screw holes for this. So looks like there's sort of 4 pre-drilled holes here. And it's a nice distressed wood. There are some kind of marks and stuff that I'm not too fond of, like these little dirty marks here. There's a little green mark there, but otherwise it looks nice and distressed. The wood is a bit curved. I don't know if you could see that. So it's a little bit curved. I'm not sure if that'll be an issue. And here's the other side, and again it's got another kind of green mark there. And one on this side as well. Other than that, it's distressed nicely. This one actually has 4 pre-drilled holes and looks to be pretty straight. It's not curved like the other piece. Okay, so I'm going to try to put this together. Just need some tools. Oh, and it did come with some screws as well in a little plastic bag here. 8 screws for the 8 holes. Okay, so I'm going to get some tools and I'll put this together. Okay, so I'm back with a Phillips screwdriver, since the screws provided use a Phillips head, and a clamp to clamp these to this, since there's no holes in the base. So this is the top part of the bed. This is where you would put your inner cushion or layers or blankets. And you want to put the headboard, which is the taller piece here, and the footboard here. Now, one thing I did discover is that this part is actually wider than this part. So it's your preference, but you can either have it flush with this line here, but then have this part showing a little bit here, or you can line it up with the bottom. I think it probably looks better if it's lined up with the top part. So I'm going to use this clamp to hold this in place. Easier said than done, apparently. Okay, there we go. Okay, so have it clamped in place. And then I'm going to insert one of the screws. And screw it in. Probably might work better if you have a electric or battery powered screwdriver, but this works just fine. One thing I don't like is that you can see the screws from the outside. I wish that the holes were inset, but probably won't really see it in the photos, or you can clone them out in Photoshop. Just in case you were wondering, this bed was approximately $50 Canadian, I think. So not too bad. I've heard of some people where it comes broken. Mine did not come broken, but it does have some flaws. I'm just going to speed up this part of the video so you don't have to sit there and watch me screw in all of these screws. Now this is the bent piece. You can see it's kind of bent there. Okay, I don't think I can clamp this one. So I'm just going to try to hold it in place. Okay, so this is the final bed. It's pretty solid. And it looks pretty good. I do really like it, aside from a few of the flaws which I'll need to probably clone out in Photoshop. But other than that, and the screw holes, like I mentioned, I don't really like the way they look here, where they're kind of exposed, but not a huge deal. Anyways, it's a really, really cute little bed. That's the way it looks like from the side and from the top, so you can add your blankets and layers, and you could have a newborn sitting in here with their little foot hanging down, or you could do an overhead shot with like a potato sack pose, or you can have a sitter in this as well. It's a little bit wobbly, but that's probably just the way that I screwed it in, but still pretty solid. So I think I'll test this out with my daughter and show you guys some photos of that. Here's a little video clip of the bed so you can see it a little bit better. Here's the top view. And here's just a little close-up of the screws on the side and over on the other side. And here's kind of a pullback of the bed on a backdrop. And so here's some photos of my daughter in the little bed. She is 8 months old right now. So you could kind of see what the bed looks like with a baby of her size. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. If you did, please give the video a like, and remember to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified the next time we release a video. We try to release a new video every week. Also, if you're interested in our free Photoshop actions, I will link them down in the description box below. And I'll also link our posing video playlist up in the cards in case you're interested in checking that out. That's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now, and remember, keep creating.